Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2025 Wagoneer that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the unit today, just to show you some of the features and options that this Wagoneer has to offer. So as you come around towards the back here, you can see your rear park sensors there across that back bumper. Of course, you do have your backup camera equipped there as well. Power lift gate, so you can easily access the cargo area in the back. So decent amount of room back there for you to store your gear bags kind of out of the way while on the go. You also do have your cargo mat equipped back there. Again, just that power lift gate option. That third row also does fold down, so if those seats aren't needed, you can give yourself a little bit of extra room for cargo in the back. Running boards equipped on there as well. So just checking out some of the inside here, you can see you do have your bench second row seat there, so you can get 3 passengers in that second row. Decent amount of legroom for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. Again, your floor mats included there. Climate controls in that second row, as well as some USB port hookups. You can easily access that third row. And again, bench seat in the back as well, so you can get 3 passengers back there. Sunroof's equipped, so you do have your dual pane sunroof up front and a single pane in the back. So checking out some of the features up front here. So you do have your touchscreen display area, Uconnect system equipped in there, so you do have access to, of course, navigation is equipped in there. All of your audio media controls also accessible in through here as well. Again, access to your climate control options. You do have your heated front seats, vented front seats, as well as your heated steering wheel, Bluetooth capabilities, and access to just some of the apps and settings in through there. And again, just your navigation. Just below that, again, access to your basic kind of like audio media controls, climate control options down in through there. Your USB ports just in behind there, as well as your wireless charger. A little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area as well. Key fob for the Wagoneer right here. Remote start is included, so a great feature. You don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted controls, so you do have your cruise control options in on there. Adaptive cruise control is equipped. Of course, your Bluetooth, Uconnect capabilities, audio media controls in behind the steering wheel. So you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connectable on the go. All of your power windows, locks, side mirrors, memory driver's seat. So that's just a quick look at this 2025 Wagoneer. If you have additional questions about this unit, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.